potato okra casserole, or cumin potato okra bowl, or cumin potato okra stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the okra recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato stew recipes. We're going to make cumin potato okra casserole. We're taking around 100 to 150 grams of potato, peeled and cut into pieces. Taking around 100 grams of okra, cut in pieces. 25 to 30 shallots, cut into pieces. Around 10 to 15 cloves of garlic, 15 grams of ginger, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, 1 tomato cut into pieces, green chili. Heat the pan, pour in 10 to 15 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the cumin seeds. Salt the cumin seeds. Put in the garlic. Put in the ginger pieces. Sauce well. We're using the induction cooker. Use 60 degrees for sauteing. Carefully salt. Put in the shallots. Stir fry. Keep on sauteing. Until the shells lose their pinkish color. Thoroughly salt. Try to mix that up. The okra pieces. So, chop the okra piece with the rest of the mix. Put in the potato pieces. Salt. Salt in potato pieces. The okra pieces. A quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Mix. That is the mix. Spoon of mixture of spices. Mix. A spoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Salt and mix. Thoroughly mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Salt and mix thoroughly. Close and cook for 2 minutes. Put in salt paste. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Around 250 to 300 ml of water. Mix and let the mixture boil. If you are using the induction cooker, put it to 100 degrees. Close and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. For the required time, open. Put in the green chili. Mix. and close and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Now the cumin potato okra casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. The final cumin potato okra casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the okra recipes and one of the most different of the cumin seed recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.